Good morning. Welcome to another interesting session of Innovative Organization Development Consultancy. In this session of this course, the name of the course is Online Knowledge Transfer Course, and this is being done by my consultancy, Innovative Organization Development Consultancy. In the third module, in the part of module 1, third part of module 1, course name is Online Knowledge Transfer Course. I am going to talk regarding the impact of effective knowledge transfer on organizational success. Uh, the impact of effective knowledge transfer on organizational success is manifold. Not only does it help to retain the valuable information, knowledge, and expertise of the organization within the people and human resources of the organization, but also at the same time, online knowledge transfer practices, the impact of integrating knowledge transfer within the organization helps to retain staff and uh, bring them together for knowledge sharing, reciprocal knowledge sharing behavior, and increase in knowledge search cycle behavior. Knowledge search cycle behavior is the repetitive knowledge pool that brings people to search for various kinds of insights, notes, uh, any kind of insight, information related to any kind of analysis, to uh, any kind of insights that they are requiring regarding their clarification for knowledge is to the organizational knowledge base, which means that among the manifold advantages of integrating the integrating different types of knowledge for effective knowledge transfer in organization, uh, one of those advantages is knowledge search cycle, which is that they come to the organizational knowledge base to search for insights related to their requirements. And this repetitive searches in the organizational knowledge base, which is a mix of your tacit knowledge and explicit knowledge of the collective of the human resource in the organization, that is increasing the knowledge search cycle behavior, which is one of the very important aspects of organizational knowledge creation. So in this I am going to talk regarding number 1 is mentorship and coaching. Mentorship and coaching is a aspect in which the important question of tacit knowledge as a very clear advantage is a very unique and non-copyable or non-reproducible type of information or unique asset to the organization is disseminated or transferred, or there is a direct knowledge transfer through mentorship and coaching. So in mentorship, you know that a senior experienced person who is already a master in his or her trade is then grooming a pool of individuals to understand and acquire and become as good as the master craftsman himself or herself is in his or her profession or trade. In this way, they help to mentor or coach through hands-on experience on practical applications on a day-to-day basis. Second is communities of practice. Communities of practice is also on a similar line. Communities are made by people who are themselves having a huge experience of the particular process of, let's say, how to organize a business, how to conduct a business, how to step by step, you know, lay down the blueprint of a successful small medium enterprise and all these things. So they help in doing all these things. So what they do is they make communities of practice, which is a basically paid communities of practice. You have to pay a fees to become a member of those communities, and in those communities they discuss all those hacks and real life examples, case studies, their own experience, whatever they have gone through, insights, and whatever paper and documents that they have to help people in their pursuits, and call them as their students in those communities of practice. So basically, it is a premium concept, and they have to pay some fees to become members of these communities of practice. The third one is knowledge documentation. How does knowledge documentation happen? Knowledge documentation is basically whatever is the collective knowledge resources of the people, the organization, the factory, the organization, whatever those knowledge resources, whether they are available in codifiable form, documentation. If they are documented, there is no harm, there is no problem. But most of the information or knowledge is not so well documented. Or, for example, you have tacit knowledge organization. I mean, suppose mm, there is a person in the organization who who has been very effective in controlling the attrition of the organization, and in controlling the attrition of the organization, he has been instrumental in convincing people to stay with the company, to contribute to the company, and helping in their career growth and enhancement in their aspirations, to achieve self-realization goals. So he, as a person, he is as acts as a mentor. He acts as a coach also in real life to all those people who want to leave the organization, and bring him under his scope of purview, supervision, so that they can survive, grow, and prosper in the organization, and there is no need for them to leave the organization. But he does this on the basis of some skills which are very much personal to his nature, context, very personal to the context in question, and they also cannot be easily transferred to another person until unless that person is all the time going around with this person who is trying to control the attrition in whatever he is doing, that is observing and trying to imitate the same. In that case, there would be somebody who is able to observe if there is a push, if there is a need to not document this kind of skills of this person, this kind of work done by this person, which is very much beneficial for other people in the organization to learn and grow, then there will be very close observation and imitation and noting down of each and every event in which he has come across people who want to leave the organization, the way he is talking with the people who want to leave the organization, and how he is able to take them back into their fold. And through persuasive skills, through giving them such opportunities which help them realize their career goals or whatever is required to make them comfortable within the organization boundaries, that is being done by him, and these are things are noted down, that is documented all the time whenever he is there at work with these people. So in this way, it is a kind of a very effective skill which he has ingrown within himself over a period of time when he has worked through the rank and file of the organization. So this is his tacit knowledge. It is not documented anywhere, and there is no point reading of the books. Even after having multiple degrees, people are not able to convince people to stop going to another organization in controlling the attrition. People hire new managers and so on and so stuff to control attrition, but still they are not so effective. So ingrown this tacit knowledge, which is a unique capability, which is contextual in nature, highly contextual, and is very specific to the person who is doing the job, and it is almost very difficult to codify it. But in that case, what the organization does with such people is that, since they are a huge asset, because it is a unique capability, they are having somebody all the time, an assistant, an associate, or a helping hand who is trying to document this knowledge that he is carrying with himself, his information, his words, his whatever words or whatever jargon he uses, or signals that he gives through hands, and whatever, everything is either video recorded or and as well as documented by pen on noted down as and when it happens. So this is a way of documenting this tacit knowledge. And the fourth is technology and collaboration tools. Technology is again that artificial intelligence is a human interactive technology. It's a human interactive technology. There are various tools in AI. They can help you collaborate the various resources available in the organization, like this unique experience of people, whatever has been documented as tacit knowledge, whatever has been done till now is as explicit knowledge in documents, e-manuals and folders, and combine them together as a one pool into an organizational knowledge base. So these technology and these collaboration tools help to make the organizational knowledge base, OKB, which is your main online information repository and the reason for online knowledge transfer to get documented to form the organizational knowledge base. It represents the collective tacit knowledge, explicit knowledge, and it represents the collective value of the organization. You can simply use AI as a intelligence tool or interactive intelligence technology tool to understand what is the value of these insights, these this knowledge base that you have prepared, which is indexed, categorized, sequential, so that you can easily retrieve any information in one go. So this is the thing that I am telling, and this AI and other things that have data cleaning and artificial intelligence and sequencing and protecting them through some kind of information technology, some kind of malware and all this, you can use them for collaboration further once the knowledge base is completely protected and secured through this. So in these four ways, I am talking about the integration of the source of knowledge, which is the organizational knowledge base, and consisting of various kinds of tacit and explicit knowledge, and how it can benefit the organizational knowledge creation process or organizational learning. So in this session, I am ending it here itself. I hope you have liked this talk, and if you can want to write to me, then you can mail at hrmlectures@gmail.com, or you can visit our website www.hrmlectures.in. So thank you.